Hello, my friend. In this video, we will implement the monitor section of seller part or the seller side app. So let's implement it. So previously, we do have two folders, that is inventory and monitor. So the inventory was for this one and monitor folder was for this section. So what I will do now is that I will go to inventory screen, copy out all of the codes from here, go to monitor screen, and I've already added a little bit of text here. So basically it's nothing, just copy of this inventory screen only. I will erase all of the codes and paste the codes newly here. And I will scroll up and name it, change the name to monitor screen. Yeah. So if I save it here, you will see that we see the same content in both sides. So the thing which we want to display here is that the picture will be there, but instead of this descriptions and other things, here it will be like what's the quantity of how much quantity of this product has been sold and what's the revenue generated from this product that I am going to show here. So what we'll do here is that let's just erase this code here. We will go down in consumer. Inside this list view builder, we're gonna wrap this container with a widget. Or you can say that instead of return container, we will return stream builder. Return stream builder. And here builder will be context, snapshot. And we do need to add a stream here. So to get the data like how much quantity has been sold out and what's the revenue we have generated from a particular product, I have written a logic here, or you can say a code or query here, that I will go to product services.dart file, and here is our code. So previously you might have remembered that we were adding this data onto our database, like what's the sales. Whenever a user used to buy a product, then that data used to get saved in seller section also. So with the help of this code only, we are just fetching that how much quantity of that product has been sold. That's the thing. So here, this is going to a stream to fetch data or sold data, or you can say the revenue generated data of every single product. So here the query is this, that we go to the collection product sales data, and with the help of product ID. So the unique thing which is basically distinguishing all of the products, or you can say we can, with the help of only the product ID is the beneficial thing for which we can identify every product uniquely. So basically here, the logic here is that we go to the product sales data collection, and inside all of the product ID are separate and unique, as we all do know. So we go to product ID. Suppose I want to fetch data for this laptop. So here I will pass this laptop's product ID, and then I will just go to sub collection purchase history, and I will just capture the entire data of the sub collection purchase history. And based on the data, I will display the price, display the quantity sold and the revenue generated here. Okay, that's the entire logic is going on here. So you do need to add this code inside your product services.dart file. So I will move back to monitor screen, and here in stream, I will add product services dot fetch sales per product function. Okay. Here I do need to pass the product ID. So here I will pass current model dot product ID, and I will add a null check here. That's good. So you will be thinking from where I am getting the product ID. So we have declared in previous code, we have declared this current model variable. So using that one only, we are getting the product ID here. So now it's time we implement the builder section. So here there will be multiple cases. The first case is going to be if snapshot dot has everything is going good, right? We'll copy this one, paste it. If snapshot dot has data, that is going to be our first case. If snapshot dot okay, yeah, my snapshot spelling is wrong. That's the reason I am thinking like why I'm getting red all the time. If snapshot dot has error, then that's gonna be second case, and else we want to display something else. Else we want to display nothing. Return size box. Yeah. If snapshot dot has error, return text, and the text is gonna be oops, error loading data, please contact admin. And we need to add styling here. Style that's gonna be text theme dot body medium. Now we do need to implement the has data section. So the first case is gonna be if snapshot dot data dot is empty. So we do need to add an else check here. And here comes else, return, and here we will return this code. Control X and paste it here. So I will come to the top and go to if snapshot dot has if snapshot dot data dot is empty, return text, oops, no data found. We do need to add styling here. Style text theme dot body medium. And yeah, now the thing which we do need to add here is that instead of this description and the pricing here, we do need to show him like the how many quantities of that item has been sold and what is the revenue that generated from that product. So I will scroll down and here our row starts. That's the description thing. So here, instead of this description here, we do want to show like how much quantity of that product has been sold. Here the code to get the entire revenue earned, or you can say the entire product sold price, is this one. Like suppose 5 quantity of this laptop has been sold out and you want to like get the entire total price or the total revenue which you have got, or the total selling revenue, then this is going to be our code. Okay. So if I just write up this code and save it here, then as you can see, the revenues are getting displayed here. So the next thing we want to display here is the quantity, the total quantity of this item that has been sold. So let's just copy this one. And paste here. And instead of product count, into, yeah, product count into product. Okay, this won't be there. And let's save it. Yeah. So as you can see, this is okay. Here we don't need to add this one and save it here. So here it shows the revenue, and here it shows the like how much quantity that item has been sold out. And here it shows, oops, no data found. That is because the second item of our inventory, this one, there was no sales. So it is showing, oops, no data found. And okay. So we have to find out like which says, oops, no data found. Oops, there was an error, size box. Okay, oops, no data found. So basically, whenever there is no sales, it is saying that oops, no data found. Instead, it should not be there. It should be like, it should return a size box here. And yeah, and now let's have a look onto it. So we will save it. And yeah, so now we will remove these things, that is like the price and those stuff. Okay, it's fine. Like if they are there, it's fine, no issues. So now let's add revenue and quantity beside these two fields, or you can say like before these two fields. So we'll come down here, and instead of this text here, we will go with rich text. Rich text. Text here, it will be text span. And here it will be children. And inside here, we will add this text. We will cut from here, paste it, and here it will be text. Add. And here it will be text. Yeah. Let's commit it out. And here we do need to add a comma. And yeah, let's save it. And yeah, it looks the same. So before that, ellipsis, this gray color shouldn't be here. We'll cut it out. And we will add another text span before it, and it will be text. Here we will go with revenue. Styling going to be the same as this one. So we'll copy the style from here and remove this copy with part. Let's save it. And yeah, it looks good now. Revenue, it shows up. And next goes our quantity. So the quantity will copy this rich text and paste here. And we'll change the parameter revenue to QTY as quantity. And here we will remove this code, that is into product.discounted price. And let's save it. Okay, before saving it, yeah, it's good now. Let's save it. And yeah, it shows up the quantity, and we also do need to remove the we also remove the rupee symbol. And yeah, it looks good now. Revenue, quantity, and all of the stuffs are showing up here. Okay, so here our monitor screen is done and our inventory screen is also done. So for now, this much was the implementation for seller side. And in next video, we will implement the review section for the users. Okay, meet you in next video.